Hello and welcome everyone in chapter number 3, Number System. In this chapter, we will be covering up the content, number and numeral, 5-digit and 6-digit number, Indian number system, international number system, place value and face value, expanded notation, successor and predecessor, skip counting, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending orders. Number. We may express number in figures as well as in words. For example, 1 is represented in figure and ONE 1 is represented as in words. Numeral. The group of figures representing a number is called the numeral for that number. For example, 10,000, 10,001, 10,002 and so on. 5-digit and 6-digit number. In class 3, we have studied up to 4-digit number. We know that the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The largest 5-digit number is 99,999. The number 1 more than 99,999 is 1 lakh. We read it as 1 lakh. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. The number 1 more than 9,99,999 is 10 lakh. We read it as 10 lakh and so on. Indian number system. It is also known as Hindu-Arabic system of numeration. In this system, we have the place value chart as shown below. The 7 places have been grouped into 3 periods or bunches. The first 3 places makes the ones period. The next 2 places makes the thousand period. The next 2 places makes the lakhs period. International number system. This system is followed by large number of countries in the world. In this system, we read 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. Thus, we have periods of ones, thousands and millions. In this system, we have the place value chart as shown below. The 9 places have been grouped into 3 periods or bunches. The first 3 places makes the ones period. The next 3 places makes the thousand period. The next 3 places makes the millions period. Come to the exercise number 3. Question number 1. Arrange the following numerals in the Indian place value chart and rewrite them with commas at the correct place. So the number is 316594. So in the place value chart, it has been represented here, that is 3,16,594. While using the commas, you can rewrite it as 3,16,594 in this way. The next of the questions, you do it by yourself. Question number 2. Write the following numerals in words in the Indian system. So here in the left side of the column, it has been given the numeral, and in the right side of the column, that is the number names has been given. Numeral is 5316. So you would be writing in words, that is 53,106. Next one is 24683. 24,683. Question number 5. Rewrite the following numerals with proper commas using international place value chart. The number is 364619. So in the given numeral, you will be writing it 3 is in the 100,000 place, 6 is in the 10,000 place, 4 is in the 1000 place, 6 is in the 100 place, 1 is in the tens place, and 9 is in the ones place. While using the commas, you will be dividing the numbers in 3 bunches or groups. Question number 6. Write the number names of the following in the international system. In the left side of the column, numerals has been given. In the right side of the column, number names has been given. The numeral is 360520. In the words, how we will write the numeral in the words? 360,520. Next one is 603097. In the words, 603,097. Question number 3, 4 and 7. Do it by yourself. Face value and place value. Face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. The place value of a digit will be the digit itself in whatever the place it may be. Thus, in numeral 53,472, the face value of 2 is 2, the face value of 7 is 7, the face value of 4 is 4, and so on. Place value of a digit in a numeral. Place value of a digit is equal to the face value of the digit multiplied by value of the place. For example, 12,39,746. The place value of 9 is 9,000. Remember, place value of 0 is always 0 wherever it may be. Expanded notation. Here 9,65,703 can be expressed in expanded form as 9 lakh plus 60,000 plus 5,000 plus 700 plus 3. This is the expanded form of the number. The numeral you can write in the short form too. Successor. Successor of a number. The successor of a number is one more than the number. Thus, the successor of 15 is 16, 100 is 101, and so on. Predecessor. Predecessor of a number is less than the number. The predecessor of 3 is 2, the predecessor of 30 is 29, and so on. Skip counting. A sequence of number with a fixed gap between two successive numbers, then such a counting is known as skip counting. For example, counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So in this numbers, they have a fixed gapping between the two successive numbers. Comparison of numbers. Rule 1. If two numbers with different number of digits are given, then the number which has more digits is the greater of the two. 9,875 or 16,004. 9,875 consists of 4 digits, whereas 16,004 consists of 5 digits. In this, it is very clear that 9,875 has less number of digits, whereas 16,004 consists of more number of digits. So, the number you can easily identify which one is the greater. Rule 2. Suppose we have to compare two numbers with same number of digits. For example, 6,45,385 and 6,45,403. Both the numbers have 6 digits. So in the 100th place, we will compare both the numbers. In one number it is 3 and in the other number the 100th place is 4. We can compare both the numbers. 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, 6,45,385 is less than 6,45,403. Ascending order. Ascending order means numbers from the smallest to the largest. You have to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Here is the numbers. Arrange it in the ascending order. 301, 303, 305, 307, 308 and 310. Descending order. Descending order means the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. The numbers to be arranged from the greatest to the smallest. Here is a few of the numbers. You have to arrange in the descending order, that is 590 is greater than 570, 570 is greater than 560, 560 is greater than 550, 550 is greater than 530 and 530 is greater than 520. Exercise 5. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do it by yourself. Move to the question number 3. The smallest 3-digit number using each of the following digit only once. So you have to use the digit only once and you have to make smallest 3-digit number. So the first question is 5, 7 and 1. So the smallest 3-digit number will be 157. Next one is 2, 0 and 9. The smallest 3-digit number will be 209. Next question is 6, 3 and 4. The smallest 3-digit number will be 346. Move to the question number 8. Write the smallest 3-digit number using digit 2 and 7, repeating 7 2 times. You have to repeat 7 2 times and make the smallest 3-digit number. So the number will be 277. Question number C. Write the smallest 4-digit number using digits 5, 8 and 2, repeating 8 2 times. You have to repeat 8 2 times and make the smallest 4-digit number. The number will be 2588. The rest 2 will be your homework. Question number 6, 7, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. Do it by yourself. Now, points to remember. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, whatever it may be. Place value of a digit is equal to face value into value of the place. When 1 is added to a number is successor. When 1 is subtracted to a number is predecessor. When the number arranged from the smallest to the greatest is ascending order. When the number arranged from the greatest to the smallest is descending order. Home assignment. Question bag 1 and question bag 2. Do it in your book. Complete the exercise in your notebook. Maintain neatness in your copy. Revise the chapter once again. And exercise 4. Do it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care.